The mihi animas trataratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now in the 26th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And the message of our liturgy for today is very strong. Because pinapaalalahanan tayo na tayo mga Kristiyano, tigasunod ni Kristo. Hindi pwedeng sabihin nating mahal natin ang Diyos, ngunit wala tayong pakialam sa mga nangyayari sa ating kapwa o sa ating kapaligiran. Because in our first reading, pinakita po dito, the people were flourishing and they are celebrating. They have all the graces and blessings that they need. Pero ang nakakalungkot dito, when something bad happened to their fellow man, or kay sa kabilang bayan, they don't care about it. Wala silang pakialam. As long as they are happy, they continue to celebrate. As long as they are okay, wala silang pakialam kung ano man po nangyayari sa kanilang kapwa. That's why in our second reading, we were reminded, but you Christians, followers of Christ, you have to live righteously. Paano yun? You have to share and do your part in serving one another. Because in our gospel today, taken from the Gospel of Luke, chapter 16, verse 19 to 31, ito yung parable of Lazarus and the rich man. No? Wherein, pinag-alala sa atin ng Panginoon na kailangan buksan natin ang ating mga mata sa mga pangangailangan din ng ating kapwa. Sapagkat this rich young man, no, he celebrate, he do everything that he wished to do. And talaga dahil mayaman siya, he just celebrate about it. That even though na sinula sa ating ebanghelyo, Lazarus was just outside his door. Ibig sabihin, nakikita niya ang paghihirap ng kanyang kapwa ni Lazarus, pero wala siyang ginawa dito sa mundong ito. Then, both of them died. God glorified Lazarus, and the rich man suffered a lot in Gehenna because he did not care about his brothers and sisters. Doon nga sa Gehenna, suddenly na-open ang kanyang mga mata. No, bigla siya nagkaroon ng pakialam sa kanyang mga kapatid, sa kanyang kapwa, na please, remind them na wag na sana silang mapunta dito sa impyerno na to. Open their eyes and serve one another. Send Lazarus. The Lord said, no, it's too late. It's too late for you to do that. And even though I will send Lazarus, they will not listen because I have sent already my son, but they did not listen. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are being reminded by God to open our eyes. As long as we are here sa mundong ito, let us do all the charitable works that we can do to serve one another. Ang ganda nga po ng awitin na walang sino man na nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang. Pananagutan. Lahat po tayo ay may pananagutan sa isa't isa. As Christians, we have to open our eyes to the needs of our brothers and sisters and have an open heart to give your service according to your capacity. So once again, my dear brothers and sisters, God bless us all.